Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing, and if you end up enjoying this video, please give me a huge thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section below. So going right in, I'm using my Echo styling gel to prepare my hair so that it lays flat, and I'm just going ahead with my brush to just lay my front hair. Initially, I went in with my Badesky facial spray, and I just used that all over my face just to give my face some hydration before I start the makeup process. And then going in with my scarf, I'm just going to tie that on my hair and just allow my hair lay there while I do my makeup. Moving right into makeup, I'm also going in with my No Moisture moisturizer just to give my face a little more hydration. And then going in with my Maybelline Baby Pore primer. I'm using that to also prime my face. Going in with my highlighter from Ellis Clear. I'm just adding that to my face to give me like a glow from within. And then once we're done with that, we're moving into the face. I have done my brows off camera. I have a detailed tutorial on how I draw my brows on my channel. I'm going to leave it linked in the card, and I'm also going to leave it in the description box below. Having drawn my brows, I've prepared my lid with an eyeshadow base. I'm just going in with this eyeshadow palette from Morphe and using this dark color. I'm using that on my crease, and then also going in with this color from iMagic. I'm using that to blend out the color that I initially applied on my crease. And then with this eyeshadow base from P. Louise Academy, I'm going to just softly cut my crease. And I'm just going to go in with this color from my iMagic palette, this white, soft white color. I'm going to be using that on my lid, as you see me do. And then because I felt it was too white, it was a bit too white, I went in with these two brown colors just really lightly to give it a more neutral feel. I'm just going in with my gel liner to softly line my eyes, and then with my Maybelline mascara, I'm going to bring out my lashes just before I go on to fix my falsies. Now that that's done, I'm just going to go off camera, complete the other eye, and I'll be right back to finish the makeup. Alright, so now that we have our eyes done, this is what we have. Moving on straight to the face, I'm going to be using my Milani foundation. I'm going to be mixing 13 and 14 together, and I'm just going to apply that with my beauty blender all over my face. Going in with my concealer, I'm using my LA Girl concealer in Chestnut and my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in Warm Honey. I'm just going to be applying both on my face as you see me do, the lighter one in front and the darker one at the outer part of my face. And I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and blend all that in. Now that we have that blend, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just using that to set the places that I highlighted. I'm not baking, I'm just taking the powder, dusting that on my hand, and then pushing that into my skin, and then going in with my Maybelline face powder. I'm just going to use that to set the other part of my face. So with my Maybelline cacao powder, I'm going to be using that as my contour powder today, and I'm just going to use that to give my face a little more definition. And then going in with these two highlighter, the Primark highlighter and my Dollhouse highlighter. I'm going to be using these two colors, just mixing them together to give myself, you know, that glow. It's the holiday season, let's glow things up. Layering it up with my Dollhouse highlighter, and I have that beautiful highlighter blend. Ooh. Okay, so going back with my Morphe with this dark color, I'm going to use that to smudge out the lower part of my eyes. And then going back with my P. Louise base, I'm going to use that for my waterline. And now I'm just cleaning my lips because I have a bit of gloss on it and I want a matte lip. So I'm going in with my red lip pencil from NYX, and I'm just using that to line my lips just before I go in with my red shade. And with my MAC Woo, I'm going to be using that all over my lips. Guys, I reviewed 5 of my best lipsticks. I will leave that linked in the card. I'm going to leave it in the description box. You need to check it out to get the best lipsticks for women of color. And then I just used my Eye Magic, the white color in the Eye Magic palette. I just used that to highlight the middle part of my lips, and we did the final spray. And this is what we have. My hair is all laid, and I'm going to be using this kinky add-on on my hair like so. This is really simple, and this is my go-to hair when I don't want to, you know, do so much. And you just want to pull the drawstring so that it attaches and it is firm on your hair, and hide it. And here we have. Adjust it as much as you want. If you want it bigger, keep pulling it and it goes bigger. And this is what we have. So this is what we have, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you liked this look. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, and if you are watching up until this point and you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you here. Thank you so much once again. Happy holidays, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.